Get a better golfing game with this advice. While it would be ideal to be an expert in golf or make a hole-in-one with ease, most golfers would agree that the sport requires know-how and practice. Both take time. Following are some quick tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your game. A useful tip for every golfer is to derive swing power from the body, not the arms. By emphasizing this method, you will soon find it easier to get the ball airborne. You will also likely improve your ability to turn completely through the ball as you bring your arms downward. Use your entire body to power your golf swing. Beginners believe that the strength in their swing comes solely from the arms, but the truth is that using only your arms will give you a very weak shot. You will be more effective if you use your entire body. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to be sure that you are not too low to the ground when hitting the ball. This is important because doing so will cause you to make too much contact with the ground, resulting in a large divot and a high arch on your ball. Do not neglect the basic fundamentals of club grip when you experiment with changing your swing. Your thumb should always point down when you grip your club, and your hands should touch each other. There are plenty of minute changes you can make to your grip, but do not abandon the core requirements of a good grip. An easy exercise, a toe wiggling exercise, can show golf stance faults. If it is difficult to wiggle your toes when preparing to swing your club, this indicates you are leaning too far towards the ball. Proper posture for golfers can be obtained by leaning back until there is some play in the feet. When addressing each putt, it is important to have your hands slightly ahead of the line between your head and the ball. Putt the ball, keeping your hands steadily in this position as you follow through. This helps to keep the ball from bouncing too hard off the club face, and will also hold the club firmly in your grasp. Keep your eye on the ball. This is repeated in every sport, but is also true in golf. When swinging, keep your head down and look at the ball, and follow its motion as you finish your swing. This helps line up your body in the right position for straighter shots. Be careful of an overly aggressive or choppy golf swing. Even the most powerful swing should be smooth and fluid. The key point here is the top of the swing between ending the back swing and beginning the forward swing. Don't jerk the club from one to the other. Accelerate gradually for a good, controlled swing. Hopefully, the tips and tricks above will help you to quickly get back to your game. Take the time to apply the practical suggestions given. No doubt, you will be glad you did when you make that dream shot, hole-in-one. Until that time, continue learning and practicing to be that expert golfer. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.